Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Lundbaum. I'm going to be your instructor for LEAD 2500 Problem Solving and Decision Making, one of the next courses in the Next Gen Ag series. You may also recognize me or my name as I am your official academic advisor for this program. So if at any time you have questions about registration or what you might want to do after this program, I'm the person who can help you with that. That being said, I'm really excited to get started with this course. I found some great resources, and I think we're all going to learn a lot from each other and from the resources that I pulled. So we're going to start the course in Module 1 with just really learning about decision making and problem solving by exploring a chapter in your Discovering Leadership book. So no need to buy another textbook. We're going to use what's in here already. All right, so that'll be Module 1, and that'll just give us an overview of kind of the concepts of decision making and problem solving and what has some of the models that are out there. And then what I have done is I have decided to use this text, which is actually an ebook, and it's free. You don't need to buy it. I have a link for it in the Start Here section. It's called the Field Guide to Human-Centered Design. And basically what it does is it allows you to explore challenges, opportunities, or problems that you see within your workplace or within your communities or within your region or possibly even the world. And what we're going to do is you're going to try to identify a problem, challenge, opportunity that you would like to come up with a solution to. I encourage you to do something that you really have a passion about or something that is of interest to you, because this is going to carry through into the capstone class. You can even try to find a solution to a problem that you're currently working on within your school, organization, your community, etc. So as we go through this, we're going to really be looking at how do we come up with a design challenge, and that's really just we address a challenge that we see, a problem, an opportunity, or a challenge. And what we do is we ultimately, at the end of the course, we're going to walk through the process and we'll come up with a solution to your design challenge. You will probably find that some of the information that we cover in LEAD 2500 is also covered in LEAD 2600. And that's because when we're trying to come up with innovative solutions to some of the problems, challenges, opportunities around us, we need to be creative and we need to be innovative. So bear with us. Professor Bergman and I have done our best to provide new insights and different ways of looking at things and to make it not redundant. But there might be a tiny bit of overlap because that's just inherent in the content that the two classes are looking at. So that being said, I encourage you to go to the Start Here section and read through that, read through the syllabus, and then give me an introduction of yourself. I know you all know each other, but I may not know you all as well as you know each other. So I'm looking forward to getting to know you. I'm looking forward to facilitating this course, and I'm looking forward to all of us learning together. I hope that you enjoy the course, and as always, if you have any questions or concerns or any feedback, please reach out to me. I'm happy to listen and to help in any way I can. Thank you.